Alright, this is going to be a short little video of just how to hook up lights, or as I look up lights, hook up lights. Ugh, jeez. But I walk right on the back porch, I hear I look over, there's a cat running up the hillside on one side. There's a deer clumping through the woods on the other side. And, yeah. But, I installed 2 lights on my tractor here. Or mower. Ugh, it's cold. Hate it whenever you walk out and it's just all cold and you're just like instant flow of boogers. But oh, I left the key on. That is never good. But yeah, those and the headlights. The headlights always worked, as you could tell by the video and everything else that I had. But yeah. And it's on the same switch the headlights are on. I still need to finish it up, clean it up some. But all I did, these are just at Tractor Supply. Just drilled a hole where I wanted it. This one's a little far back, right on the lip here, than that one is, so this one is tilted back some. But I also made it pivotable for now. I think I'm going to change that. All I did was, I got an old, I had flashers all over my truck, right? And all I did was take old wiring, so I have an extra wire right here. It was in a 3-way in one tube. And I just hooked it to the positive, ran it up right underneath the back panel here. Goes right under the floorboard here. I'm just going to be drilling a hole or something right there, so it's up higher from the wheel well. So I'm going to be zip tying it up there. But I ran underneath the foot, right down the hole, right here between the panels. There's a nice hole there, and a little guide that runs through there. This hood. I mean, I love the hood, how it clasps, but those clasps always get... Oh, I've been denting the crap out of that. But, ran it up right through there. Brought it up, around. And then, just spliced it into the headlight wire. So, it's just a positive. Those ground itself out because it's bolted down. And then here's, like, that spare wire I was telling you about. So if I ever wanted to hook up another light back there, I have it. I can do it. I'm gonna shut my fuel off too, actually. No, there's a turkey up there somewhere. But yeah, all it is just spliced all to one. So the headlights that were working originally are now spliced in with these taillights. So whenever the key's on, I flip the switch and it is working. So it's not that hard to hook up lights. You can run it to your own toggle switch if you wanted it to. But seeing that I'm going to be doing it mostly with the headlights and my taillights, I'm just going to leave it there. So that's what I'm most likely going to do. And I'm probably going to get like a little LED pod or something. Just a small little something and put it right here, mount it right here, and that's where my other one's going to be. And I'm going to put that on a separate toggle switch so it's like a backup light. And then I'll just have it like right here. This is a 3-way switch, but I'm just going to leave it go and probably put it right here. So I'm going to have this as my normal headlights and tail lights and orange marker lights and everything, and then right here is going to be my reverse light. So, but yeah, stupid way to add on lights to your mower.